Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands of dollars selling digital products online? In today's video, I'll show you the best digital products you can sell in 2024, how to start, and how to make your first sale. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to launch a successful online business. So let's dive in. First, let's define digital products. These are intangible assets that can be sold online and delivered electronically. Unlike physical goods, digital products don't require inventory, shipping, or storage. This makes them a favorite for entrepreneurs who want to build a low-cost, scalable business. Think of products like ebooks, software, stock content, or even online courses. The demand for these products is growing every year. Now, why are digital products so lucrative? Here are some key reasons. 1. High profit margins. Once created, there's little to no ongoing cost. 2. Scalability. You can sell to one person or 1 million people without additional expenses. 3. Flexibility. Work from anywhere and manage your business online. So whether you're a student, freelancer, or someone looking for passive income, digital products are the way to go. Section 3. Top digital products to sell in 2024. Ebooks are one of the easiest ways to start. Write about a topic you're passionate about or share your expertise in a niche market. Use tools like Canva or Microsoft Word to format your ebook and platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing to sell it. Keep your ebook focused and solve a specific problem for your audience. For example, 10 easy recipes for busy moms or how to start a freelance career. Online education is booming, with platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare generating billions annually. If you're skilled in photography, coding, or even cooking, you can create a course and share your knowledge. Keep your courses engaging by adding quizzes, video lessons, and downloadable resources. Templates and printables are perfect for creatives. You can design planners, Instagram templates, wedding invitations, or even resume formats. Websites like Etsy are ideal for selling these products. Stock content, such as photos, videos, and music tracks, is always in demand. If you're a photographer, videographer, or musician, you can monetize your work by selling it on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5. If you have coding skills, software and apps are excellent options. Even simple tools like a budgeting calculator or habit tracker can bring in consistent income. Don't forget to test your product for user-friendliness and functionality. Create a membership website where users pay a monthly or yearly fee for access to exclusive content, tools, or a community. This is perfect for niches like fitness, finance, or personal development. Now, if you're selling digital products, video marketing is one of the most effective ways to attract customers. But here's the catch: you don't need to be a professional video editor to create stunning videos. With Pictory.ai, you can create engaging videos in minutes using the power of AI. Turn scripts, blog posts, or even text summaries into professional quality videos without any hassle. Click the link in the description to start your free trial of Pictory.ai and take your content creation to the next level. Creating a product is one thing, but marketing it is where the real work begins. Here are some proven strategies. 1. Social media ads. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to target specific audiences. 2. Email marketing. Build an email list and keep your audience engaged with updates and discounts. 3. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to promote your product. 4. Content marketing. Create blogs, videos, and tutorials around your product to attract organic traffic. Every business has challenges, and digital products are no exception. Here are common hurdles and their solutions. 1. Standing out in a crowded market, focus on a niche and create a unique value proposition. 2. Building trust. Use testimonials, reviews, and money-back guarantees to build credibility. 3. Pricing your product. Research competitors and consider offering tiered pricing options to appeal to different audiences. Now that you know the top digital products to sell and how to market them, it's time to take action. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and effort, you can turn your digital product idea into a thriving business. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tools to boost your online business. And check out Pictory.ai, your ultimate partner in creating engaging videos. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.